Hey friends, this is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead, and I've got great news. Remember the incubator that all the eggs got cold because it was unplugged for like 4 or 5 hours? I have a turkey that has pipped. Thank God Papa wouldn't let me throw them out. Okay, with a little bit of good luck, you will see him hatch. Come on, buddy, push! Push, buddy, push! If I only get that turkey out of all these eggs, I will be happy. I will be really happy. I feel really bad that I almost killed them all. I may have killed them all but him. All right, away you go. Okay folks, I'm breaking my own rule and I'm going to be helping this little guy out because so far he's the only one to want to hatch, and I just got to give him that chance to live. He has fought so hard through a cold incubator. Here buddy, I'm just going to be really, really, really gentle. I have a feeling, as in the past, he's going to be brain injured from being in the shell too long. See, what happens is if they're too long, the humidity leaves and they get stuck. I don't know how well he's going to do. Okay, all right, I'm just going to leave you just like that, buddy. Come on. And I'm just hopefully. Come on, buddy. Yeah, he's still curled up. We're going to have to wait and see. That's it, buddy. Come on. You got this. We'll let you rest. Oh, it might be a little chilly, and he seems to be shivering a little bit because I had the incubator open. So, but the heat's on, and he's going to warm up. Hey, you're moving about. Yeah, I know you're still shivering, but you'll be okay. Mommy's not going to open the incubator again. No, I'm not going to open the incubator because when I helped him out of his shell, he got a little bit of a chill there. But he's quite happy, and he's actually flopping about and doing the weep, weep, weep. Hey, baby. We think because of his color, he's a lot darker than the last one. We think he's a baby of the Spanish Black Daddy. So this Rubbermaid bin lid lets the heat stay in. He's under the lamp right now, but I'm going to put a little handful of food in. He's not really hungry. They don't really eat for the first 24 hours. But his water, I've already dipped his little beak. Let's close him back up so he stays warm. The water you use for turkey poults when you first give it has to be body temperature or a little bit warmer, or they'll catch a chill from it. They'll catch a chill from it and die. And our two little buddies, even though one's much bigger than the other, they get along really, really well. They're just moving away from me because I've opened the lid. I just cleaned their bin. This is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, you're right. You're not supposed to help them out of the shell, but he was halfway there and he was losing strength. I wasn't leaving him alone. And I had to have a happy ending for my mishap with the incubator that went cold. Take care, God bless.